How to complete your online admission at Tetso College in just 6 easy steps.
Open your browser and visit tetsocollege.edu.in. Scroll down and click on Download to get the prospectus. Once downloaded, scroll back up and click on Apply Now. Select Apply for all other programs, then click on Register to begin your application. After registering, choose your desired course and fill in the application form carefully. Once completed, click on Apply. On the next page, upload your photo and enter all the required details. When you're done, click on Apply to proceed. You will now be directed to the Educational Qualification page. Fill in your academic details. If you have more than one qualification, scroll up and click Add More, then enter the additional details. Click on Apply to move forward. Next, you'll arrive at the Document Upload section. Upload all the necessary documents and click Apply once done. Now click on Pay. Enter your mobile number and proceed to make the payment. After completing the payment, check your email for a confirmation mail. If you don't see it in your inbox, make sure to check the spam folder. Open the eligibility mail, click on the provided link, and log in using your registered email. Once logged in, click the menu icon at the top corner. Select Fee Payment, scroll the page to the left and click on Pay Now. On the new page, scroll down and click Save and Pay, then proceed to complete the transaction. Congratulations! You have successfully taken admission at Tetso College.